Chill.
Bro, what the fuck wrong with him?
You alright, punk ass?
Punk
Oh, my bad, man. Oh, my. Oh, well, chill. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D the Mac, and today I'm gonna be face sneezing on people. Basically, when you're shopping, I'm gonna spray this on your neck or your face. So, if you new, like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. If y'all wanna see me do any pranks, DM me. Know what I'm saying? And let's get turned up. Peace. Shit.
Damn, bitch, I think you that sneeze on me, bro.
My bad, punk ass. You alright? Bro, chill out, bro. Chill out. What you gonna do, clown?